Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered why Muslims around the world face a specific direction when they pray? It's a practice called Qibla, and it's simpler than you might think. Qibla simply means direction. For Muslims, this direction points towards the Kaaba, a cubic building located in the heart of the Grand Mosque in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. It's considered the holiest site in Islam. So, why this specific point? Facing the Kaaba symbolizes unity and spiritual connection among Muslims worldwide, all turning towards one central point for their prayers. Historically, Muslims initially prayed facing Jerusalem, but later, a divine revelation directed them towards the Kaaba, establishing it as the permanent Qibla. Finding the Qibla is easier than ever today. While traditional methods like using the sun or a compass are still valid, many use modern tools. You can use special Qibla compasses, or even free smartphone apps that utilize GPS and augmented reality to show you the precise direction from wherever you are in the world. Even Google Maps can help you pinpoint the Kaaba. So, whether you're at home or traveling, knowing the Qibla ensures Muslims can fulfill a fundamental aspect of their daily prayers, fostering a sense of global unity and devotion. It's truly incredible how this ancient practice connects millions of people every single day. Subscribe for more fun facts.